We've developed a way to broadcast our online multiplayer flight simulator events on two cameras simultaneously. One camera shows the view from inside the game, the other is a standard webcam. We need to use two cameras to adequately show what's happening. Why? Well, if you only see the view from one webcam, you can see the pilot at the controls, but you can't see the details on the screen very well. In some cases, you can't see the screen at all. If we only show the view from inside the game, then you don't see the cool DIY flight sim controls that we're using. A viewer might assume that we're just using a simple joystick, and of course we would never do that. The solution is a picture-in-picture webcam image. You can also hear the pilot's voice, you can hear the other pilots on the radio, and you can hear the airplane's engine and gunfire and explosions and so on. And it can be broadcasted as a live webcam image on our website. So after a lot of trial and error, here's a method that works for us, and we hope this video helps you too. So here are some things that we used. A second computer, in addition to the flight sim, I call this the admin computer, a FireWire cable, and a FireWire port on the admin computer, a digital camcorder. The Sony Camcorder is really nothing special, it's actually 10 years old, a regular webcam, and you can use the microphone from the webcam, but it's not very good, so we're using this one, and the Super Webcam software. You can download it free. And notice there's nothing exotic here, this is all pretty basic stuff. We need to see the pilot's view as it's shown in the flight simulator, so we set up the camcorder as a second monitor. This flight sim computer is running Windows XP and has an NVIDIA graphics card. Your computer may be different, but this is what worked for us. We attached the camcorder to the video card with this S-video cable and turned on the camcorder to the VCR setting. Right-click on the desktop and choose NVIDIA Control Panel. From here we selected the display menu and set up multiple displays. We want the same image on both displays. Select that and you'll see the card recognizes the camcorder as a TV. Okay, so now the camcorder is set up as a second monitor on the flight sim computer. Next we attach the FireWire cable from the camcorder to the admin computer. Now the admin computer recognizes the Sony Camcorder as a webcam. You can see it listed here in Windows Explorer. So one computer thinks the camcorder is a monitor, and the other computer thinks it's a webcam. It's pretty cool. And by the way, there are several steps to this process, so we made a printout of this whole setup. You can get it from the DIY Flight Sims website. The link is in the sidebar. You'll notice the monitor has a greater resolution than the camcorder. We can move the view around with the mouse to capture the center of the screen. So the first camera is set up, the second one is easy. We're using an inexpensive Winbook webcam. We attach it to a tripod to make it easier to move around the room. It's plugged into the admin computer and installed normally. Now the Super Webcam software brings it all together. From the menu, click Video Source and select the camcorder for the main view. Then click this icon for picture-in-picture and select the webcam. And that's it. Now you can broadcast two cameras as a single webcam. When you log into your webcam hosting site, select Super Webcam as the video capture device. Here we've embedded the dual webcam feed into our web page. Now anybody, anywhere can watch it. Now note the admin computer is running and broadcasting both cameras, so it's not taking any precious processing power or bandwidth from the flight simulator computer. Both computers are on a local area network through a simple Linksys router. Now remember, there is more information about this setup on our website, but before you go, please rate this video and subscribe to our channel.